Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything about things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The crisis in River State has taken an ethnic dimension, with the Ijaw youths threatening to defend the governor of River State, Simi Fubara, from any attempt by the Nyesom Wike lawmakers to impeach him from office, saying that the Ijaw nation will defend one of their own. That is what we have to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription box, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. In this video, in this channel, I had warned about the ethnic dimension that may ensue when the push come to shove in the River State crisis. I had noted that since 1999, the Igbo-speaking, or if you like, Ikore-speaking people of River State had governed River State unbroken for about 24 years. 8 years for Dr. Peter Odele, 8 years for Rotimi Amechi, 8 years for Nyesom Wike. This is the first time that an Ijaw man is becoming the governor of River State, and people are plotting to impeach him. I say that it will likely resort to ethnic baiting and ethnic configuration. And that is what is playing out right now, because the push has come to shove following the 48 hours that was given to Governor Fubara by the Pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers to represent the 2025 budget. That is the dimension things has gotten, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. This is because the Ijaw Youth Council, Eastern Zone, has threatened to shut down oil production in the Niger Delta over the current political tension in River State. The group said that the 48 hours ultimatum given to Fubara by the Pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers led by Martin Amaewhule to present the 2025 budget was a clear indication of an orchestrated effort to create chaos and potentially impeach the governor. Of course, you know that at the resumed sitting after the Supreme Court judgment, the Pro-Wike lawmakers on Monday gave Fubara 48 hours to represent the 2025 budget, and the ultimatum is expected to expire on Wednesday, March 5th, 2025. The Ijaw Youth Congress, in a statement by its chairman, Prince Datulo Sukubo, and Secretary Tomuno Kuro Dango, had warned, saying that if this thing is not halted, there will be problem. In that statement, they urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribado, to intervene immediately and halt the ongoing crisis that threatens to plunge River State into an unavoidable crisis. The group said that such instability will have severe repercussions, not only for River State's governance, but also for the crude oil production and the energy security, which are vital to national economy. The group threatened, and I quote what the group said. They said, if River State is starved of its economic right because of one who wants to monopolize River State economy, we will also starve the economy of Nigeria. We are aware of alarming plans by certain elements to destabilize River State and undermine the mandate given to our elected officials. This is not only an attack on our leadership, but also an affront to the will of the Rivers people, who have entrusted their governance to one of our own. We firmly warn that we will not stand by and allow detractors to steal the mandate. We are committed to, we firmly warn that we will not stand by and allow detractors to steal this mandate. We are committed to defending our rights and ensuring that the voices of the Ijaw people are heard and respected. The recent Supreme Court judgment nullified the election of local government council chairmen. This decision has created an environment ripe for manipulation by those who do not have the best interests of Rivers or Ijaw nation at heart. The Ijaw Youth Congress went on to say that as Ijaw people, we will not fold our hands and allow the continued political marginalization of one of our own. That is the Ijaw nation taking a stand to defend one of their own, Simi Fubara, who is the first Ijaw person to govern Rivers State since 1999. And many are saying he deserves to finish his mandate successfully, just like the Igbo or Ikwere-speaking people of Rivers State were given the opportunity to do their 8 years uninterrupted. All of them that served, Dr. Peter Odele served 8 years uninterrupted. Chibika Mechi served 8 years uninterrupted. Nyesom Wike served 8 years uninterrupted. Now Fubara is just serving 4 years, and people are plotting to cut it short, to impeach him. The Ijaw nation say they will not accept it because you and I know that if he's impeached, the deputy is an Igbo-speaking deputy governor that will take over. What does that? What's the message that will send across? So the Ijaw people are ready to defend one of their own. And let us even look at the threats by the Nyesom Wike lawmakers in the 48 hours that will expire on Wednesday, 5th of March 2025. They say that he should represent the budget of 2025. For those who don't know, when Amaewhule or Nyesom Wike lawmakers went to court, what took them to court was the 2024 budget. It was when Simi Fubara presented the 2024 budget to 4 lawmakers who did not defect to APC for them to approve the 2024 appropriation bill. That was when these Nyesom Wike lawmakers went to court, challenging that presentation, insisting that that budget ought to have been presented to them. Now the Supreme Court has given a judgment. The Supreme Court mentioned that in that budget, in that Supreme Court judgment, we have heard that the Supreme Court said that Fubara should present the budget to Amaewhule-led assembly. Which budget was the Supreme Court talking about? Because the issue, the one that they were insisting should be represented to them was the 2024 budget. That was what was written in the matter they took to court. It was not 2025 budget. Now 2024 budget has already been taken over by time. That budget had already been spent. It doesn't exist anywhere. And already Simi Fubara has passed the 2025 budget. The 2025 budget has already been passed by the Rivers State House of Assembly before the Supreme Court judgment. So which budget is the Nyesom Wike people talking about that should be presented to them? If it comes to a debate on this presentation that they are giving ultimatum to Simi Fubara, it couldn't have been the 2025 budget because that was not what they were complaining about in 2024. It was the 2025 appropriation. Is that what they want them to present to them? Though, but they were specific. They want Simi Fubara to present 2025 budget that had already gone. It had been passed. It has been signed into law. And it is the subsisting appropriation law right now in Rivers State. And the Supreme Court is unaware of that one. I don't think that was the one that Supreme Court said that they should present to the that Fubara should represent that budget. I doubt it. And that is the lacuna you get when we have a Supreme Court that will give judgment. It will take it weeks to be able to deliver these certified true copies to the litigants and the defendants of the matter. It's a sad commentary on Nigerian judiciary that after the judges will read out their judgment in court, in which they ought to have made photocopies of it, stamp it appropriately, sign it, and hand over to all the people concerned about the judgment that was delivered. You have to wait for 1 week to get it. Now look at the crisis it has created. But that is aside. But what these threats and statements by the Ijaw Youth Council have shown is how political ambition by some people in a state can trigger ethnic crisis, can trigger national crisis. Already in October last year, the former president, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, warned about the repercussion of allowing Rivers crisis to get out of hand, saying that the Rivers State is like the capital of Niger Delta. Whatever is good for Rivers is good for Niger Delta. What is bad for Rivers is bad for Niger Delta. And he equated the crisis in Rivers State that is equivalent to what happened in Western region in the 1960s. In other words, it will not only consume Rivers State, it will consume the whole of Niger Delta. And we know the economic implication. Already, from what the Ijaw Youth Council are saying, if the allocation of Rivers State is disrupted, then they will disrupt the allocation of federal government of Nigeria, so that everyone will suffer, both Rivers people and Nigerian government. That is what is embedded in that threat by the Ijaw Youth Council. I don't know what to think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Because right now, all eyes is on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to make sure that Simi Fubara, nothing happens to him in terms of impeachment, to ensure that there is rule of law in Rivers State, and that the impeachment weapon should not be dangled anyhow on the head of Simi Fubara. And also, let him be aware that the Ijaw nation has taken a stand that nothing should happen to Simi Fubara. He must be allowed to finish his 4 years. And if you are not happy with him, you can vote him out in 2027. That is the message the Ijaw nation has served. That's my understanding. I don't know what to think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you.